So now I am using a doc type. Okay. Now here I'm going to use Sonar Technologies. I'm not going to worry about content. I'm going to use a lorem 100 tab. When you press lorem 100 tab, you no need to worry about the content. Content automatically comes here. Now go back, refresh. You see, you got the content. Say yes or no. Say yes or no.
Yes, sir.
See, you have to be active. You should not be inactive. Mahendra, Nikita, Sumana. Okay. You have to unmute and talk. Otherwise, I will be bored.
Yes,
Now
sir.
come back here. Under the section tag, I'm going to add an article tag. In the article tag, I'm going to use H1, H2, Mernus tag. There I'm going to use a paragraph tag, lorem 50 tag. Now I have Mernus tag. Now if you look into here, did you see any change in this UI? Everything has a structure, but under this should come. It is not differentiated. I will make this differentiation. Don't worry. I'm taking the same article tag. I'm putting a means tag. And again, I'm going to have a one more tag. I'm going to say full stack .NET. That's all I did. Now, under section, how many articles I written? Tell me, please. How many articles we have? 3 articles. And we have section tag. Right? Am I right or wrong? Jayashree.
Yes.
Sir, yes, sir.
Right? Now, I'm going to create a CSS saying that section.css file. Now here, I close this, I close this, I close this, close this, close this, close this. Now I have section class and section example. How to include CSS in the section? Can anyone tell me? What is the tag I need to use?
Link. Link.
Okay. Then?
href, sir.
Come on. You have to speak.
href.
Then?
Relation.
Relation. Attribute.
Done.
Style sheet.
Done. Now go back. Refresh. Nothing is there. Still no change. Okay. Let me go to this file. I say first body tag. Font family. Pradana. Now you got all the change in the family. Good. Now I got the change in the family. Sir, I want to make section as a border. So what you need to do, you go and before that you need to create a background color. What is your background color on the day we created? Linear. Come on. What is the background we created?
Linear.
Linear.
Background.
Gradient.
Linear.
48 degree. Comma. Chocolate. Comma.
Chocolate.
Beet.
Blue.
Comma. Chocolate. Done. Now refresh. It's good. Looks good, right? Content is looks good. Now I got the background. I got the every step. Now what I need to do, sir, I want to make this section as a border. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to use a section tag. See, usually what you will do, you will create a div. Under the div, you will write all the things, right? Now I am using this section directly. Got my point? Now in the section tag, I'm going to say background. Background. Linear gradient. (45°). Same chocolate, not chocolate. On the day, what color we did yesterday? Page web template. This one is best. We take this. Background. Linear. Beautiful. Now section is in good shape. But sir, I'm able to understand the text properly. Am I able to see the text properly? Am I able to see the text properly?
No, sir.
All right. So what do you need to do? You need to use color, white, smoke. Now this looks good. But sir, are you seeing any padding here? Any margin, any padding? Nothing, right? It's not good, right? So you have to make a margin 0 and padding. Margin you can make 10 pixel. 10 pixel. Padding 15 pixel. Now you got the text. You got the text or not? See, you see there is a padding. There is a gap in the padding. And you see there is a margin also. Now the text looks good. Sir, but this section should be a rounded corner. What do you need to do?
Border radius. Border radius.
Border radius 15 pixel. Now you see, this is not good. Let's make this blue instead of wheat. Somewhat good, right? Okay, this looks good. Now you see each paragraph, the content is not properly aligned. How to do that? Use a p tag, text align,
Justify, sir.
justify. That's all. Now you see the content is justified. Content is justified or not? Say yes or no. Say yes or no. Almost 6 people are there. You have to speak. Okay. Now you got the padding, you got the space, everything. I got a section and article, sir. But under section, this article should be differentiated. But why it is not happening, sir? Why? Because you need to apply a separate CSS for this. You have to say section, under which you will have article, and take everything as same. Take these two things once again. put here, instead of here, you have to say blue. How was it? You see the difference?
Yes, sir.
You see the difference? Article is differentiated. But sir, where is the padding and margin for this? Like Sunath technology, you are not seeing any margin and padding. So what you have to do? You have to apply same margin 10 pixel and padding 15 pixel. Now refresh. Now you got the padding and margin. Got the padding and margin or not?
Yes,
Come
sir.
on.
Yes, sir.
Now I want to make the border radius as same 16 pixel so that it will be identified. Now you can go here, border.
Radius.
That's it. Now see, the page contain a section called Sunath Technology, under which you will have 3 articles. Is it good or bad? Is it a good or bad?
Good, sir.
Did I used any div tag in this? If you do the same design, I need to work a lot of things, right? I have to write a lot of code here, right? Which we did earlier. We have to write image, H1 tag, P tag. We are writing a lot of things and we have to bring that. But without everything, anything, with the help of HTML5, using section and article, I can able to build a section like this. I think red does not fit. Let me change something. Can you tell me some other color which you like instead of red? Anyone can tell me any color instead of red? What color we can do?
Yellow, sir.
This is okay. This is okay. This is somewhat good, right? Sir, you made the section, you made the men stack article, you made the mean stack article, you made the .NET class article. Sir, but still within the article, left side should be your content, right side will be your image. How to do that? Go to your example, under article, what you can do here, to create a table first. Table border equal to 1 and tr tag. In a single table row, I have td tag. Here, I'm going to cut this paragraph. I paste here. And then I'm going to have a one more td. I'm going to use image tag. src images. What is the tag first tag? Mern tag, right? I have to give alt Mern tag title Mern tag. Done. Now go back, refresh. See, this is something not good. So what you need to do, you have to take the image, go to section.css, put here, say width equal to 300 pixel, height equal to 200 pixel. Refresh. This is, looks good. Or can we make it as 500 pixel? This is somewhat okay, right? This is okay, right? Say yes or no.
Yes, sir.
But sir, image doesn't have a rounder corner. So what you need to do? Border
Reduce.
15 pixels. That's good. But this content is not in white color. How to do that? Color white space. Super. Now go back in the section example. Take a one more paragraph. Say lorem 100 app. Beautiful. Now you see. Now you see. Any change you can able to see that left side you will have an image, right side you will have a text. But sir, in paragraph, I'm not seeing any padding. Go to section. I can put padding 15 pixel. Text align. Justify. Looks good. This looks good. Now remove the border. Refresh. Now you see, this is good or bad?
Good, sir.
The same thing I want to put image right side. How to do that? Same tag. Same table tag. Copy. Go in this article. Paste. Simple thing I'm going to change is cut this. Paste here.
First.
Here I'm going to use means tag. Here I'm going to use MA. Here I'm going to use MA. Now go back, refresh, English. Now you see.
Yes, sir.
You got it or not?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Now you have to put the same content in .NET. Shiva, are you there? Copy this, paste. Here you go and say .NET full .NET full .NET. Refresh. You see, ma? Did
Yes,
I made
sir.
anything wrong? You got everything as it is what we developed earlier, right? You see.
Sir.
See the comparison. I'm copying this file, paste here, enter. Now I'm going to use a sample web page template. Now you see, here we did like this, right? Am I right or wrong? Say yes or no.
Yes.
Now you see this page and this page. Whatever you did Sunath technology here, the same you will have a Sunath technology, you have everything. But sir, this H1 and H2 are not in center align. So how to do that? How to do that? Say here you have to simply
Text
say text align center.
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 Wow, beautiful. Now see, everything is center aligned. Did you see any change? Did you see any change in this? Tell me you are seeing any change. So this is how you need to build. This is how you need to build HTML tags using section and article. Now you understand how to build a section and article. See, if I remove everything, cut. It's a plain text. Am I right? Is it looks
Yes.
good?
No.
I have image, I have text, I have everything. When it became beautified, the moment I applied the CSS, when you go back, refresh, you see how beautiful it is. That's all you have to build the tag. Then, sir, I want to build a header tag on top here. What I'm going to do, we have a time, right? Yeah, we have time. Let me build a one more stuff saying that today I'm going to create another example also. Simply, no. You are so wrong. Just create 11 underscore header underscore footer dot tags dot html. This is my tag. Now go back. Wait, let's a second. Yeah, it's done. Fine, super. Now it's added. Close this. Now take this header footer. Now what I'm going to do, before that, let me explain. Always a website should be look like this. You will have page like this. Am I right? You will have a web page like this. In web page, you will have header portion is this, right? This we will call it as a header. In any page, we will call it this as a header. Header region. For that, HTML5 as a header tag. And then you will have a footer. Basically, you will have a footer here. Listen carefully. You will have a footer region here. Right? Here you can have footer. And this portion will be split in two ways. One is you can have a menus here. Okay, you can have a menu here. This will be called it as side menu. In HTML file, we will use aside tag. I will teach all these things in upcoming sessions. Okay, don't worry. Now here, you can have, there are other tags. What are all the other tags we have? Can anyone tell me? This is the actual body content. This will be your body content. Now tell me, in any website, will header will change? In any website, the header will change? Say yes or no. Hello?
Sir.
Say yes or no. In any website, do you change your header? In any website, do you change your side menu? Do you change your footer? Let's take a couple of websites. I'm going here. What website we can change? Can anyone tell me? Okay, I'll go for fita.com.in. It is one of the institute in Chennai. Now you see there is an header, right? Chennai, Bangalore, all these things. Now if I go to any area, any course or anything, courses, see that header will not change. Is the header is changed? Is the header is changed? Say yes or no.
No.
If I go and change, and if you look into the footer, you see this is my footer. Okay. Now if you go and change anything, even if I click this one also, the footer will not change. Why? Because your footer is fixed. Got my point? Footer of the particular content is fixed. Now, sir, the similar fashion I want to develop header and footer. Similar fashion, I want to develop the site like this in next 2-3 days. Let me first create a header content. So under HTML, what you need to do? You have to go for sample template, copy the template, paste here. Say header and footer tags. Done. Now here I'm going to use a header tag. In this header tag, I'm going to use h1 tag specifying the company name. Right? So what is your first thing you have to do? To make the content proper, first you have to take body tag. Do I need to create another CSS? Okay. Header dot CSS. Body. Say font. Done. Refresh. You see, I got it. Now I want to apply a color. I want to apply a color. Header. What color we can apply? Background. Linear gradient. 45-degree. Comma. Red comma. Blue comma. Orange. Why it is not
CSS is
happening?
not in
Huh?
HTML.
Done. This is good. Now, sir, I want to make certain paddings of this. Go here, put a padding, say 15 pixel. This is very much. This looks good. And I want to make this align center.
Sterling.
Now I got the align center. But color should be
White.
white. Perfect. You got the header. But the problem is, you see there is a gap.
Margins. Margin.
Super. Margin for this or margin for this? Which tag I need to set a margin? Think about it. If I set margin for header, between two headers it will get. If I set margin for the body, it will set the main thing. So where I need to apply? I need to apply body margin or I need to apply header margin?
Body margin.
Why? Reason? The reason is, let's try margin here. What will happen?
Margin. 0 pixel.
You won't see any change because it is header between margins. Now here, if I put here
Body.
fit,
Yes, sir.
everything is fit or not? Now see, no change. Now header got perfect. Sir, can you change bit of your padding? It will look very cumbersome. Let's change few more also. This is good.
Yes, sir.
Now you got the header. In the content, I am planning to bring this section, cut the entire section and bring here. What I'm planning, I'm going to take the entire section. I go here, I add here. Now refresh, you see, all the things are there. Do I need to apply CSS for the section first? First, what I need to apply? I need to apply image. Now go here. Let's first fix the image. Go here. IMG width equal to 400 pixel, height equal to 300 pixel. First, let me fix the image. Now I got the image fixed. See, I'm not doing anything. Just listen. I'm not doing anything. Right? Now I made this. Now my image has been fixed. Now what is my next step? I want to make my image border radius. So what I'm going to do, border radius
Radius.
15 pixels. Now my image has been rounded corner. Done. Now what is my next step? Sir, I need to talk about Sunath technology section. Go here. Section. Same background linear gradient. उल्टा में चलता, चॉकलेट में रहेगा, इधर में रेड होगा. नाउ गो हियर. इधर है चॉकलेट. हाँ दो. बट there is a gap between these two, right? There is a gap. How to fix the gap?
Margin.
Margin. Margin top. You have to specify margin top 0%. क्या हुआ रे? 0 pixel. It has to work. Okay, simply put margin as of now. But still it is not working. I don't know why. Let it be, I will tell. No, margin for header should be 0. Okay, leave it. I will see that why it is the reason behind it. Okay. No need to worry margin right now. Some issues happening. Let me fix that one by tomorrow. You need to have a padding, right? You need to have a padding 15 pixel. Okay. Because of the padding, it is not fit. Sorry. Okay. Perfect. Now go here. Color. White. There you go. Section got changed. Anything else we need to discuss? You got everything. Men's tag, articles, everything you got. This one should be center aligned. So what you will do, text align center. Make sense? Paragraph separately you have to make text align intent. Text align justify. Now it looks justified. Now what you need to do, the same like you need to have section, article. You have to apply separate articles. Background, linear, gradient 45 degree, red, chocolate, chocolate, red, chocolate, chocolate, blue, chocolate. Done. Perfect. Now here in the article, the text should be quite small. Quite small. Indira bhai ఎత్తట్లేదు.
Border radius.
Wait. Need to add certain padding. You do one thing. Mm,
Paragraph type.
I'm taking this. Since I don't have a time, I'm using this. Done. Okay. Fit. Margin between this also come. Mm, border 2 pixel. Solid red. Now each article will be separated. Clear? Mm, but how to get this paragraph tag? How they get the paragraph? Why paragraph is not detected? It's supposed to detect the right. I do one thing. I given a ID and bring that ID for each paragraph. That's very difficult. I have to go section, table, tr, td, and I need to detect the paragraph. Then I have to do this. That's not a right way. Mm, Anyway, do this way. You don't have a time. Section, article, table, tr, td, paragraph, color, white. Hey, shit. There you go. Now got it? Got it or not? You don't need anything. Simply align paragraph. Here you can say justify align padding 15 pixel. That's good. Looks good. So this is how you have to build the header and content. Do you need this one? Because your header itself there. Do you need this one? Say yes or no. Hello. Jayashree Nikita.
Yes.
Do you need this one? No need, right? Because you are repeating the same thing twice. You remove this. Now looks perfect. Footer will do tomorrow. In meanwhile, I want to create a box shadow for this article alone. So how to create a box shadow? Box shadow 0 pixel, 10 pixel, 10 pixel, orange, orange red. You see, you got a box shadow, but you need a margin should be increased. Should be 20 pixels. Then only you can able to see the box shadow properly. Now you see there is a box shadow. Are you able to see the box shadow?
Yes.
Now, when I hover this article, Only I'm going to change over. I'll say white smoke. See, when I go here article, see the change. When I'm making a hover of the article, you see there is a white color. See? Are you able to see the articles? Are you able to see the article difference? Say yes or no.
Yeah.
This is how you have to build. Tomorrow we are going to talk about footer, aside tag, nav tag, and everything. Thank you guys. Thanks for your passion and join us. We'll meet tomorrow. Thank you guys. Bye.